Hi, hello, namaskara, Bengaluru. Do you know that crores of rupees can be generated every month from garbage waste? It is the pride of Kannadigas that the city of Bengaluru is built by Nada Prabhu Kempegowda, who took the important decisions many decades ago for the development of Bengaluru, which has become the top city in the world. Today, Namma Bengaluru provides shelter and life to millions of people. However, many areas within Bengaluru are still suffering without basic amenity. We heard that the state government and BBMP are planning to collect rupees 100 per month per house for waste collection to further generate revenue without any development. But Brand Bengaluru currently needed NR Ramesh model, means NR Ramesh's vision and administrative touch needed for the realization of the idea of Brand Bengaluru, who has made it possible to generate more than 1 crore rupees every month from garbage. In Yediyuru ward in Namma Bengaluru, interestingly, Yediyuru ward in Namma Bengaluru has the distinction of being a model ward of South India and number 1 ward in BBMP. Garbage problems in Bengaluru are becoming a big headache day by day. During his tenure as corporator of Yediyuru ward, NR Ramesh built Yediyur Bio methanization plant at a cost of rupees 70 lakhs in 2013-14 in Yediyuru ward to ensure that wet waste and dry waste generated in Yediyuru ward should not be wasted. This unit has been functioning very successfully for the last 11 years, and among the 11 biogas plants constructed by BBMP, the only one successfully functioning is Yediyur Biomethanization Plant, Bengaluru's first ward to get waste to energy plant. About 3000 kV of electricity is generated daily in Yediyur Biomethanization Plant from 5 tons of wet waste generated daily in Yediyuru ward. After converting wet waste into methane gas, electricity is being generated from this gas. This is an effort to find a solution to the growing problems of garbage in Bengaluru. Out of 3000 kV electricity generated, 1800 kV of electricity is being supplied to 15 parks and 17 BBMP buildings in Yediyuru ward daily, in which approximately 17 lakh rupees, which was supposed to be paid by BBMP to BESCOM every month, is being completely saved. Besides, a proposal is made to sell remaining 1200 kV power to BESCOM, in which BBMP can yield more than 8 lakh rupees from Yediyuru ward every month alone. One more interesting thing is, after power generation from wet waste methane gas, an organic manure called slurry is being produced at Yediyur Biomethanization Plant, in which approximately 40,000 litres per day, that is 12 lakh litres of organic manure per month, is being produced and being supplied to 256 parks which are under BBMP South Zone. Earlier, for the maintenance of these 256 parks, BBMP used to spend an average of 71 lakh rupees every month on the purchase of chemical fertilizer, in which this entire money spent on chemical fertilizer is being saved completely. Because of Yediyur Biomethanization Plant alone, BBMP is earning approximately 1 crore and 10 lakh rupees every month. Till today, this project has been working successfully because of visionary leader NR Ramesh. The Yediyur Biomethanization Plant is reputed to be the only biogas plant producing electricity from waste in India. Imagine if biomethanization plant project was implemented in all 198 wards of BBMP, the corporation can collect hundreds of crores of rupees every month instead of charging money from public, in which Shri NR Ramesh work is the live example we have. Garbage problems are still alive in more than 198 wards of BBMP. If the people's representatives were concerned about garbage in all areas of Bengaluru, the people of Bengaluru would not have faced developmental issues, including garbage. Let NR Ramesh's exemplary administration, who has made the impossible to possible to generate crores of rupees of revenue for BBMP, just from the wet waste collected in Ediyuru ward be an inspiration to the state government who has dreamed of Brand Bengaluru. Indeed, the works done by N.R. Ramesh is commendable, who said that development is my breath and people's administration is my courage. Janara Seveye, Janardhana Seve. A big salute to this man. Thank you.